Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download and install the Kik Messenger on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Play Store on your phone, go to the search bar and go to the search and search for Kik Messenger. So after you search for Kik Messenger, you can see the Kik Messaging and Chat app by Media Lab AI. Go ahead and click on this Kik and click install. As soon as you click install, the Kik Messenger app will be downloaded and instantly will be installed on your phone. To learn more about this app, click on About This App option and you can see that Kik is a messaging app and a chatting app, and you can also go live and connect with all of your friends. Kik is your place to chat and message with all of your friends and to make new ones. No matter who you are or what device you're using, chat one-on-one, join a group and with like-minded people, or start a group of your own and chat about what matters to you. So some of the functionalities of Kik is chatting, voice messaging, video messaging, and sending files. You can also go live and share your live with others using Kik. So guys, you can go ahead and download and install Kik Messenger now. I hope this video about how you can download and install the Kik Messenger app on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.